In this video, we will show you how to adjust steel bracelets, and the steps involved are measurement, adjustment, and micro adjustment. First, you need to measure by how much you need to adjust the bracelet. An easy way is to wear the watch. Like this video, you can see the number of links that need to be removed from this perspective. The top and bottom half of the bracelet, so that the clasp will sit in the middle of your wrist. Next, you need to identify the links that can be removed. Not all links can be removed. Usually only the first few links around the clasp can be removed. This is usually indicated by an arrow at the back of the bracelet, or the links have screws as shown. The links can be simply removed by removing the screw. For even more stability, put the bracelet on a working block. If you want to avoid scratches, put protective plastic film on it before you start. To reattach the links, simply screw the pin back in. A final touch of the bracelet adjustment is the micro adjustment. When you try out the bracelet post-adjustment, it might feel a tad bit too tight or loose, or after a while your wrist changes size but you don't. A lot of steel bracelets have a micro adjustment mechanism at the clasp for this reason. So you just need to push the latch into a position suitable for your wrist size. It's done. This has been a DIY timepiece guide on bracelet adjustment. Thanks for watching.